The triangle we need to remember for this question is density equals mass over volume. Now you could have kind of worked it out with the question because it says grams, which is mass, per centimetres cubed, which is volume. So per means over, so it would be mass over volume. So we need to work out the mass. Well, at the moment we have the density, so we've got that, but we haven't got the volume. So the first thing I need to do is work out the volume of the prism. So to work out the volume of any prism, it's the cross-sectional area times the length. And some people call the length something else, but the length is basically how 3D the prism is. So the length is this one here, and the cross-sectional area is the area of this triangle here. So it's the area of the triangle. We've got the base, which is 4, and the height, which is 9. So it's half times base times height, and then we're going to times it by the length, which is 10. So what have we got? The base, which is 4, so it's half times 4 times the height, which is 9 times 10. Now the reason I know the height is 9 is that it hits the base at right angles, and that's really important. The base and the height must be at right angles, and don't forget to halve it. Now what I can do here is something quite sneaky. What I can do is I do half times the 4 to get 2, and that saves me timesing some big numbers together just to halve it. So 2 times 9, which is 18, times 10, which is going to be 180, or you can just type it into the calculator if it's on the calculator paper. Okay, so that is in centimetres cubed, because every unit is in centimetres, and make sure you check that. So the volume is 180, so to work out the mass, if I cover up the mass in the diagram, so I cover that up, it says to work out the mass I do density times volume. So it gives me the density in the question, which is 5.5, and I'm going to times that by 180. So if I have a calculator, I can just type that in. Otherwise I could do 5 times 180, well I can do 10 times 180, which is 1800, then halve it, which is going to be 900, and then half times 180, which is 90. So that's 990. So the answer is 990 grams.